Welcome back to the channel. Alright, special FSD beta video for you guys here today. Check this out. We are leaving the mall. Free charging over at Dulles Mall for any of the locals. I always get like a nice 20% boost every time I park over here, and we are testing out FSD right here in the parking lot from the charge park position. So our goal in this video is to get out of the parking lot and see what FSD does. Got to do like some type of U-turn over here. It's saying unable to complete maneuver, but it's figuring it out. No accelerator presses needed. Really nice job there by making that right. And this is the latest 12.3.6, waiting for 12.4, which should be coming up here very soon, this weekend maybe, but we know how that goes. So just in case it does not get released this weekend, I will be testing this version out as much as possible. Really nice job with that left turn there. It just handled that with ease. And take a look at this. We got to go straight through this intersection. Cars want to make a left. Technically we have the right of way. We got here first. Let's see what FSD does. These are human drivers now interacting with AI here. Let's see what happens. And since FSD found the trajectory, it looks like it's going to decide to go, and it does. Really nice job. And just like that, it did make it out of the mall parking lot. And look at there, it goes and asks me for a steering wheel input, which is going away soon. So with the new update, they're saying cabin cameras going to get a lot better at detecting whether you're wearing sunglasses and hats and if your eyes are open. So we lose the nag, but we get more critically invading our space. What do you think about that? Comment below. Here we go with the left turn. Loving this new visualization. There's so much going on with the map overlay. It is really cool. Once you get used to you know, where your eyes are going. I like how they bunched everything up in this left corner over here. And look at FSD waiting for its right of way, doing a nice job with that left turn. Yeah, I like how they bunched everything up here, but I don't know if I like this energy bar here. Notice on the far left that when you hit the accelerator it goes black, and when you're using your regen brakes it goes green. But they put it in a weird spot. It used to be like, you know, right at the top, and it was really easy to see. Like, I didn't know, like when I first saw it, I actually thought that it was telling me that I had that headlight like lit up or something, the way that it was laid out. I'll show you once this goes away with the indicator. Alright, so look at how it does with the stop sign. It recognizes our right of way, and as soon as it sees that opening, it does not hesitate. No confusion with any car whatsoever there. That car even snuck in a little ahead of time, but FSD saw what was going on and proceeded. Really nice job there. But yeah, other than that bar here, I do like the way that they kind of gathered everything. Here we go, yielding onto the highway. No accelerator presses. People stack up over here and they wait, you know, and I hate seeing that. It's terrible. But yeah, like notice how the light is right over here. So when the light's on, it looks like that's what's your selection, because it looks like a little green bar there. But it's not really like showing. Yeah, at first glance I didn't realize that's your energy consumption, so maybe I would change that. Other than that, I think that's pretty cool. We should have the energy consumption be like a huge green line like across the far, you know, top. Now it's telling me to pay attention to the road because it sees me yelling at the screen here. But all in all, FSD did a really good job getting me onto Route 7. This is for any of the locals, and no accelerator presses, nothing in this video whatsoever so far. And if you've seen any of my past videos, if it makes any kind of weird turns, I will definitely take over. But it's getting really good, and I'm really interested in seeing 12.4, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. FSD 12.4 with the steering wheel nag reduction coming your way. But I do like this update, which shows you the full screen and kind of gives you like a nice UI layout of what's going on in case you forget what your car looks like. No, I'm kidding, but I think it's really intuitive, and it's a nice layout, and using all of your screen as much as possible. I think it's pretty cool. But all in all, once FSD comes into play, as soon as you enable it, it actually goes full screen like that, which is pretty cool. I like that visualization. So moving forward with the whole spring update, I think that's something all the cars will have, because this already has the map overlay, so I assume this is the spring update. So yeah, we got a couple maneuvers coming up in this video here, so we're gonna test it out in some neighborhoods here. One thing I love about the Tesla is the quick AC, especially being able to like cool it down on a hot summer day like today, using your phone ahead of time. Like, it is seriously like such a clutch thing. I hate getting into hot cars. It's so gross when you sweat in the heat. Like, I just like to run from my office to an AC car. So yeah, I mean, yeah, and the AC works quick on this. It's really cool too, so I like that about the Tesla. That's definitely important. It says toll booth detected. My Model 3 picks that up in this exact spot. I'm not sure what's triggering, making it think that a toll booth is here, but here we go with the right turn. It should see that it has the right of way and just continue, but it does yield because it is a right. But yeah, it didn't make a full stop. I like that, because I feel like then it backs up traffic, which it did not do, and I really like the way it handled that. Sterling Boulevard for all the locals, if you're familiar with trying to make a turn off this road here, and we're going to see how FSD handles it. But all in all, really nice job keeping up with traffic. I mean, this is 35 and FSD wants to go 41, which is like cut off of getting pulled over. So I mean, I don't really consider that speeding, so I don't think cops do either. But if you're going like anywhere like 45 and above, then you know, you should really watch out. You probably shouldn't do that. But these are decisions that FSD is making. But then again, if a cop pulls you over, you can't be like, oh, my car sped and that wasn't me. No, because every time you get behind the wheel of anything Autopilot,